Welcome to the redundancy selection matrix presentation. If you're in the process of making some employees redundant, or you need to make some redundant in the near future, you need to make sure you use a fair and non-discriminatory selection process. The way you do this is to use a redundancy selection matrix. This system here enables you to do that. It automates that process in a very straightforward way. The first thing you do if you've bought the document, is go down to the Customize Selection Matrix tab, as you can see here. You firstly need to configure the system. There's several steps to that. The first step really is just to define your selection criteria. The system comes with some inbuilt ones in terms of performance, disciplinary and attendance. You can pretty much go with this if you want. If you want to define it yourself, you can change these criteria, these ratings here. You can change the points as well. This will automatically flow through to the system. You can also change the weightings. You can also change and redefine the redundancy selection pools. This system allows up to 25 different selection pools. There's some roles already programmed in here. You can change all of these to what you want. Once you have done this, you have then configured the system to operate according to your own organisation. You're then ready to complete the actual redundancy selection matrix itself. To do that, you click on this tab here. There are full instructions in this column here explain to you how you can use the matrix. It's very straightforward. Firstly, put all the employees' names in column D. The next step is to select all the selection pools for your staff. You can just go into here, change that from whatever you need it to be. Sales, programmers. The next thing to do would be to go into the job selection pool, performance, disciplinary, and actually start marking your employees. So with the performance, you would have needed to have done some sort of appraisals. You can go in there and you can change that from exceptional or to whatever. Disciplinary the same, attendance the same. Once you've updated this will automatically calculate their individual performance scores plus a fully automated weighted calculation as 2. It's very easy to actually update the system. So for example, if you want to change the selection pool, you go in here, pick a different pool. Need to change their performance, you go in here. Need to change the disciplinary, you go in here. Attendance, you go in here. This will automatically update all these scores here. You can see them changing as we go. If this was 25, we suddenly change fully meets to exceptional, that becomes 34. So the whole thing is automated. You can go through, change all of the criteria, put it in for each employee, go through, and it automates the entire process. Thank you.